Hi, this is Cheri. Welcome to Learn English with Cheri. Today we will learn English through an intermediate story called A Cat Named Cupcake. Listen carefully, relax, and enjoy the story. Meet Cupcake. Cupcake is a small, gentle cat with big eyes and a soft pink collar. She lives in a quiet neighborhood where the days are calm and bright. Cupcake is curious about the world and enjoys watching people, animals, and small moments of kindness. Today is a new day, and Cupcake feels ready to explore, learn, and help whenever she can. A quiet morning. The morning air is warm and peaceful. Sunlight shines through the trees, and birds sing softly nearby. Cupcake sits by the window and looks outside. She stretches her paws and takes a deep breath. "Hello," Cupcake seems to say with her smile. It feels like a good day to walk, observe, and discover something new. Walking together. Cupcake walks outside and meets a young boy from the neighborhood. They walk together along the sidewalk, moving slowly and carefully. The street is quiet and flowers bloom near the houses. Cupcake watches the boy closely. She likes walking with friends. Walking together feels safe, calm, and happy. Near the river. Soon, Cupcake and the boy arrive near a gentle river. The water moves slowly, and the sunlight reflects on its surface. Cupcake stops and looks around. Rivers can be beautiful, but they can also be dangerous. Cupcake stays back and watches carefully. She knows it is important to be calm and aware. Something in the water. As they stand quietly by the river, the boy notices something moving on the water. A colorful ball floats slowly toward them, turning gently in the sunlight. The boy points and watches closely. Cupcake follows the movement with her eyes. The river looks calm, but the moment feels uncertain. A small problem. The ball drifts closer to the riverbank, then begins to move away again. The boy looks concerned. He does not know whose ball it is, but he wants to help. Cupcake stays back and watches closely. The water looks peaceful, but both of them understand it should be respected. Thinking first. The boy takes a moment to think. He does not step into the water. He looks around the riverbank for something useful. Cupcake remains still and calm, watching the boy carefully. Taking time to think can prevent mistakes. Calm thinking often leads to safer choices. A simple tool. The boy notices a long stick lying near the edge of the river. He picks it up slowly and holds it firmly. Cupcake's ears lift as she watches. The stick is long enough to reach the floating ball. Simple tools can solve problems when they are used carefully. Helping safely. The boy gently reaches the stick toward the ball. He keeps his feet on dry ground and moves slowly. The ball bumps lightly against the stick and floats closer. Cupcake stays back, watching quietly. Helping safely is important. Careful actions protect everyone involved. Safe and kind. The boy lifts the ball out of the water and places it on the ground. He smiles with relief. The ball is safe now. The boy looks at Cupcake and says, "Thank you." Cupcake sits proudly and gently licks his hand in response. Helping feels good when it is done calmly and wisely, without rushing into danger. A happy feeling. The boy feels happy, and Cupcake feels happy too. Helping brings a warm feeling inside. The sunlight reflects on the water, and the day continues quietly. Moments like this are small, but they matter. Kindness and patience turn problems into positive memories. What we learn. Cupcake thinks about what happened by the river. Not every problem needs speed or strength. Some problems need calm thinking and safe choices. Watching carefully can be a kind of help. Learning happens when we slow down and make thoughtful decisions. Walking home. As the afternoon light softens, Cupcake and the boy begin walking home together. The boy carries the ball easily at his side. The neighborhood feels quiet and friendly. Flowers move gently in the breeze. Cupcake feels content after a good day. She knows tomorrow will bring new moments to watch, learn, and share. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more fun English lessons.